So after doing the data log, you gotta have RPM, relative opening, however you pronounce that, lambda integrator. I usually log both just to make sure I don't have like a big discrepancy between the two banks. So they're pretty close. So I am gonna include the settings file for the Megalog Viewer HD. That's from Tuner Studio. The insured is basically just formatted the same exact way as you're gonna have stuff in Tuner Pro. So that's my data log from driving. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna paste it. I'm not sure why it does it. For some reason, it copies an extra row in the end, but you don't need it. So we're gonna need just this section. So it's already I outlined it for the correct number of rows and columns. So there's your data log, but you have a bunch of empty spaces. So we're gonna go to find and select, go to special, we're gonna want to select blanks. And then, so all the blank cells are selected, you're gonna have to do equal 1 and control enter. So what the one's gonna do, since we're gonna multiply the lambda integrator values into the VE table, if we multiply anything by 1, it remains what it was. So this means that every cell that you did not use, or if you're uncertain about the value in your cell, it's just gonna remain unchanged. So kind of a nice bonus feature there. So now we go to the FE table and Tuner Pro. So I'm gonna go and grab that. This is an actual file from my car. We're gonna go to sheet 2, which I may rename these, give them a little bit better representation. But so this is our VE table current. So you're gonna paste it in here. So as you can see, it's all within the boxes. And then we're gonna go sheet 3. This is the output. So this is already correct. You don't have to do anything. So as what it outputs, you just copy, and you go into here and paste. So there you go. And then here, yep, you can save it. This is an old file I'm working on, so I'm not gonna save it. But yeah, from here on, you just save it and reflash it. That's really it. It'll probably take you about from a really bad like base map to pretty awesome. Like to me, this is pretty awesome. It took probably 6-7 iterations, and then if you do any hardware changes, if you change your cams, if you change your airbox, wherever you're gonna end up doing, since your VE will change as well, you would have to follow this whole instruction set again. Another nice thing to with this is as you make changes, it's kind of easy to see where your VE increased or decreased. So if you change your exhaust setup, you can, without doing wide open pools, of course, it's a separate. But around mid-range here, up to a reasonable load before you go into open loop, you can kind of see how it's affected your car. And yep, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and include all of this, and as a Dropbox, I'm gonna include the settings to the Megalog viewer, and I'm gonna include the spreadsheet. Normally when I do it for myself, I actually use MATLAB. I kind of semi-automated it with it. Excel is super easy, and I still use Excel to fill in the ones. I haven't figured out how to do that in MATLAB. But I'll include everything, and if you all have any questions, please do ask, and I'll try to answer them. Thank you. See ya.